Hello, Camly learners. My name is Teacher Rosie, and I am a teacher on Camly Kids. Today, you will be learning about simple sentence structure. Ready? Let's go. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. In all languages, words are arranged in sentences in a certain order to make sense. This is known as word order. In English, we usually have the subject first, and then the verb, and finally the object. And this is called the SVO arrangement, which stands for subject, verb, and object. Okay, now let me tell you what is a subject, what is a verb, what is an object. A subject is who or what does an action. The subject can be a noun or a pronoun. Subjects can be names of people like Lisa, animals like a dog, or even things like a toy. A subject can also be a pronoun like I, you, he, she, or it. Now, what is a verb? A verb is a word that expresses an action. And some examples are eat, play, walk, read, and love. And finally, what is an object? An object is who or what is affected by the action. And some examples are table, chair, book, and ice cream. And some examples of pronouns can be you, him, her, and us. In English, it is very important to follow the correct word order. And for this simple sentence, this is the correct order: subject, verb, and object. Now let's look at this example. I love you. I is the subject because it is who does the action. Love is a verb because it is the action the subject does. And you is the object because it is who is affected by the action. Here is another example. We ate some eggs. We is the subject because it is who does the action. Ate is the verb because it is the action the subject does. And some eggs is the object because it is what is affected by the action. Here is another example. The teacher reads a book. Who is the subject in this sentence? That is right. The teacher is the subject because it is who does the action. And what is the verb? That is correct. The verb is reads because it is the action the subject does. And what is the object? Very good. The object is a book because it is what is affected by the action. Here is one more example. Lisa eats ice cream. What is the subject in this sentence? Yes, Lisa is the subject because Lisa is who does the action. And what is the verb? Very good. Eats. Eats is the verb because it is the action the subject does. And what is the object? Very good. Ice cream is the object because it is what is affected by the action. Great job, Camly learners. You did a great job today in our lesson of the simple sentence structure, and I hope to see you in our next class. For those who are unfamiliar with Camly Kids, Camly gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me, using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.